Today I'm repotting my little scraggly spider plant and my healthy and growing Tradescantia. I've got some nice soil here. I think I need to add a little more potting. So I've added some peat-based potting mix and some orchid bark. I like to have a little orchid bark in all my mixes except for succulent and cactus mix. I also want to repot this little Syngonium milk confetti. It's trying to grow, but I don't like this soil. Too dense. I want to put it in a more aerate or lighter soil with more oxygen. I always put too much. So the roots can get some air, and I don't want this to rot. I also think it needs nope, it's not deep enough. It's still kind of wound up, didn't really unfurl. This is the next leaf that came, and this is the one that just came this last week. So that one's ready. I guess it's okay where it's at. Hoya fungii. I got a stick and put it on the stick and see if it likes that. It's sending out this long runner. I know that's normal habit, but it's grown so much. I'll post before and after pictures. And I found out that the patent on this Maria, Syngonium Maria, expired, and it's available for Oh, their roots have gone crazy since they've been in this nice soil. Okay. I spray the soil because it's dusty. Makes me cough. I'm almost out of all of my mix. Oh, they really have grown into each other here. There's one. These will be available on my store at houseplant.help in, excuse me, 2 weeks after they've acclimated. I'm trying to decide which one I want for my plant I keep. This one has a lot of shoots. Oh, they're cute. Excuse me. Getting a new leaf. I gotta mix up some more soil. I'll be right back. These 2-inch pots into a 3-inch pot. There we go. This has got some decent roots. I'll leave some of the soil on it. Too much there. Okay, my next plant is this little spider plant. It's very weak. I think it needs more light. It's got some roots, but it's just not thriving. It's got some little rhizomes or tubers, or I think they're rhizomes. I think it'll like this mix better than that nursery mix. I don't know, it just isn't. Let's go a little deeper. There's some water. Don't know why I feel like this needs a little something to hold it up. Some granite I picked up along my life's journeys. See if I can give it a little support here. There, that's better. Okay, that's my video. Please like and subscribe. I'd like to see you back here again soon.